I want to talk about unlocking the path to sustainable weight loss. So, how many diets have you been on where you gained back the weight and more? Too many to count, like me. But what if you could find a way to eat and move that would not only help you with your weight, but also could be a happier way to live? By easily changing the habits and behaviors that have kept you overweight, you can be free from this yo yo dieting hamster wheel. And have any of the fad diets ever worked for you in the long term? No. So, with a few changes in the way you live, you can enjoy food again and find the freedom to live the life you were meant to live. And what if you found a new way to eat that made you feel great every day, where you felt so good you wouldn't even be tempted to get back into emotional eating after you had a bad day? And by adding more fresh food to your diet and realizing that no food is bad, you get to decide what foods make you feel best. And when you feel your best, you become a better wife, a better mother, a better coworker, better friend. And you easily get on with achieving the goals you came to this earth dreaming of doing. You have the energy to do it. And as you start feeling better and seeing minor changes, you easily become in it for the long haul. And by adding more fruits and vegetables and lean protein, you don't have room for all the other unhealthy foods that you used to eat. My client Josie was surprised at how much money she saved when buying fresh fruits and vegetables rather than ice cream, candy, and chips. And when you feel better, you're open to finding a new way to exercise that you enjoy. What did you like to do as a kid? Ride bikes, gymnastics, maybe dancing, going to the park? And when you enjoy what you've chosen to do, you look forward to doing it every day. And what about flipping on music and dance and just having a dance party with the kids? Or taking an online class in yoga or belly dancing? The big thing is to stop the mental chatter. You know, that loop in your head of your sister calling you a fat pig, or your mother lovingly telling you, people say you have such a pretty face. If you would only lose weight. Ugh. These are just some of the things that kept me overeating for years. But by using affirmations, you can stop that debilitating loop inside your head. And affirmations get a bad rap. People say they don't work. But saying things that you can't really believe, that I am perfect, when you don't really feel that way, that doesn't work. Try saying every day in every way, I am getting thinner and thinner. Every day in every way, I'm getting better and better. And through listening to hypnosis sessions, you can change your subconscious mind to create new habits and behaviors to help you to finally let go of this struggle. We talk a lot about being mindful right now, and it's never more important than we are thinking about food. If you're not in the present moment, you get stuck maybe in the past. You get lost in the guilt and shame and whatever else has happened to you. And you're back pulling out the ice cream from the freezer, flopping down on the couch with just a giant spoon in hand. And think about the future. If you're constantly worrying about the future, like fitting into the dress to go to your cousin's wedding, you become anxious and say, what's the use? Run to the cookie jar. So the past keeps us stuck and the future causes anxiety. But just for today, just for this moment, all is okay. And stay there. That's where you can listen to your intuition about what to do next. And you will feel good every day. Everything flows easy. It's kind of like a good hair day. Like all the lights are green, kids are behaving, life is good, and you feel good. And you make better choices in all areas of your life when you're feeling good. And my client, Kathy, couldn't believe just by being conscious of what she was putting in her mouth, she was able to drop weight and enjoy eating again, just making better choices and not having to give up anything. So by making some minor changes, you can gain long-term success in your struggle with weight. And it starts with accept where you are right now and give yourself a break. Your body's been through a lot, having kids, different medications, illnesses, and not to mention all the diets and crazy exercise routines you put it through. Clear out the judgment. Clear out all the things that you say to yourself, the things other people have said to you. and all the diet gurus that tell you what to do. And don't forget the way your tribe might judge you. That stays in your mind. But let go of all of that. And how do you do that? By getting in touch with your intuition, because your body knows exactly what it needs. And as women, you've had to listen to your body every month since puberty. We know ourselves. So listen to your voice inside. It's time to get in tune with you again and begin an empowering journey. Click below to get a free body acceptance hypnosis recording and take the time out to relax and listen. It's just 20 minutes long. And get on this journey to diet freedom.